my students, how are you good for? Today we'll solve lesson number 2. Explain lesson number 2, topic number 6. Continue to solve comparing problems. Look at here, you can use multiplication or division to compare one quantity to another. Okay, the students here, look at the question. The students in Miss Change's 4th grade class plant a tree every year. One tree they planted is 288 inches tall. Its height is 6 times as when the tree was first planted. How tall was the tree was or when it was first planted? Solve this problem anyway and choose answer. Okay, think with me about this example. We have 288 inches tall. This tree here, the tall about it 288. We can divide it by 6 to find the answer. Look at here, 288 divided by 6. (28) divided by 6 equal 4, because 4 times 6 is 24 and reach to the number. Find the difference and then drop 8. 48 divided by 6 equal 8, because 6 times 8 equal 48. And the result here will be 48. Okay, then the number will be 48. You can write the steps here. Then the tree was 48 inches tall. Okay, we can write 40 plus 8 equal 48. 6 times what equal 228. 6 times 48. And the tall about the small trees will be 448. Okay, you can divide it 288 divided by 6 equal 48. Or another method, you can use bar models to find the answer, like this. You can here 288, we can divide it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 288 divided by 6, it will be 48. Back here, compare the heights of two trees using addition. We can write the number. The height of the tree now is 240. 40 inches greater than its height when first planted. 240 plus 48. The result will be 288. Okay, we can compare between two trees using addition. 248 plus 48, it will be 288. You can add together. Okay, understood? Page 230. Use structure when use division. Simple answer using division when you can show the combination was equal groups and you don't know either the original amount or how many times as many. Next question. Carla traveled 3 times as far to college as her friend Mandy travels to college. Write and solve related multiplication and division equation to find how far Mandy travels. You can think about the number from the table. Look at here. We have 3 times what equal 192. We can divide 192 divided by 3. 192 divided by 3. We have 19 divided by 3 equals 6. 3 times 6 equal 18. And the remainder 1. 12 divided by 3 equal 1. The result will be 64. Next question number 2. Compare combination sentence. Find the value of variable that makes the sentence true. 3 times what equal 48. You can divide it by 3. 48 divided by 3 equals 16. Look at here. 48 divided by 3 equal 4 divided by 3 equal 1 and the remainder 1. 18 divided by 3 equals 6 and the result will be 16. Next question. Independent practice. Look at here. Connor has 77 magazines. That is 7 times as many magazines Christian has. How many magazines does Christian have? We can divide it. 77 divided by 7 equal 11. And next question. Eric completes 25 math problems. That is 5 times as many math problems as Kitty completed. How many math problems did Kitty completed? We can write 75 divided by 5 equal 25. Okay. 15. Okay, 75 here divided by 5. 7 divided by 5 equal 1 and the remainder 2. 25 divided by 5 is 5. Then the result will be 15. Next question. Clary counted 117 different colors and the paint store. That is 9 times as many as the number James counted. How many different colors did James count? We can write 117 divided by 9. 11 divided by 9 equal 1 and the remainder 2. 27 divided by 9 equal 3. Then the result will be 13. Lisa has 153 dominants. That is 3 times as many dominants as Stan has. How many demons does Stan step? Raise the equation. 153 divided by 3 equal what? Look here. 153 divided by 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5 and 3 divided by 3 1. The result will be 51. Next question. Justin practice piano for 8 hours. His sister practiced for 12 hours, which was 3 times as many hours as Justin practiced. Write and solve an equation to find how many hours Justin practiced piano. We can raise a number here. Product between what? 3 times what equal 12, 3 times 4. Next question also, Mary practiced violin for 2 hours and her brother practiced trombone 3 times as long or 8 hours. Write and solve an equation to find how many times as long Mary's brother practiced trombone. We can write the number here. Think. What is the number we can find the answer by this equation? Write this. 2 times what? Equal 8 times 4. Then T will be 4. Next question. Modern math. Devi is making soup. Look at her. That is included 12 cups of water and 3 cups of broth. How many times as much water as broth will be in the soup? Throw a bar diagram and write and solve equation. We can write 12 divided by 3 equal 4. You can use bar model like this and divide it 12 by 3 equal 4. Number 10. Trevor wants to pay 3 light fixtures that cost $168 each. He has $500 now. Does he have enough money to pay 3 light fixtures or not? We can predict between two numbers. 3 times 168. If the number greater than 500, he can't pay. Or the number less than 500, he can pay. Look at here about example. He can pay because 3 predict by 168 equal what? 3 times 8 equal 24. Write 4 and carry up 2. 3 times 6 18. 18 plus 2 equal 20. Write 0 and carry up 2. 1 times 3 3 plus 2 is 5. This number 504 is greater than $500 with him, so he can't pay. Because 3 times as many as $168 is $504. Trevor has $4 less than amount needed to pay the 3 light fixtures. Next question. Number 11. Miranda has 4 times as many leaves in her collection as Joy. Joy has 13 more leaves than Ermina. Mina has 10 leaves in his collection. How many leaves does Miranda have in chocolate? We can think about this. First, we can 13 plus 10 equal 23. 23 times 4. Okay. Understood? Then we have 10 and 13. 13 more leaves by 10. 13 plus 10, 23. Then 23 product by 4. 3 times 4 is 12. 2 and carry 1. 2 times 4, 8 plus 1 equal 9. Then the number will be 92. Okay? 92 leaves. Higher order thinking. Jordan needs 9,240 for her first year of college tuition. Each of her 2 grandfathers said they would match what she saves. She has 8 years before she goes to college. How much does Jordan need to save on her own each year to have enough for first year with the help from her 2 grandfather? Okay, the first number here, 9,240, you can divide it by 8. Okay, look at here about division, long division here I will use. 9,240 divided by 8. First step, 9 divided by 8 equal 1. 1 times 8 equal 8 and then find the difference. 9 minus 8 equal 8 and then do 2. 12 divided by 8 equal 1. 1 times 8 equal 8 and then find the difference. Then we have here the digit will be 4. 44 divided by 8 equal 5. 5 times 8 equal 40. Find the difference and then drop 0. 40 divided by 8, 5. 5 times 8 is 40. Then the result will be 1155. You can find the answer and then divide it by 2 also, because we have here from here to grandfathers. We have this number 385. We have 8 years before Boys College. How much does Garden save on your each year to have enough for first year? Okay, understood. We divided the total money by 8 years, then the total will be $1,155 each year at 8 years. We have 3 persons. We have Jordan and what? Her 2 grandfathers. So we have 3 persons will pay it the money. Okay, we want 1,155. Okay, we can write this number divided by what again? Divided by 3 person. Then I divided this number by 8 years. Each year she must collected this number. This number or this money 1,155, we will divided it by 3 persons. Okay, then I will complete this number 1,155 divided by 3. 1,155 divided by 3. 11 divided by 3 equal 3. 3 times 3 equal 9. 11 minus 9 is 2 and drop 5. 3 times 8 is 24. Find the difference and drop 1. 15 divided by 3 equal 5. Then 3 times 5 is 15. Then she need pay 385 each year, and her grandfathers, each one of them will give her 385 and 385 and 385 for 8 years to collect the total money for the college. Okay, understood the steps? Next question. Tina walked 20 miles for fundraiser. Lisa walked meters. Tina walked 4 times as far as Leah. Which equation can be used to find him here? 20 times 20 equal 4 times what equal 24 times 5. The unknown here will be 5. Jason and Raul kept reading log for the year. Jason read 7 books and Raul read 105. How many times we can divide 105 by 7? It will be 15. Okay, there are steps here. 105 divided by 7. 10 divided by 7 equal 1, and the remainder 3. 35 divided by 7, it will be 5. Then the result will be 15. Okay, we have 15 times. Last question about this lesson. Okay, goodbye.